So there's already a tutorial that shows you all of the notes for the beginning of In the Gloaming. But I just wanted to go through a really good way of practicing this, because it might not be an obvious candidate for practicing hands separately, but actually if you do practice this one hands separately, you get to see the patterns. And once you can see the patterns, it's going to make it quicker to learn, and it's also going to help you when you come to memorise as well. So if we look at the left hand first, we've got a root position triad with C on the bottom. And the other video talks a bit about what we mean by that. Triad is a 3-note chord. Okay, and we're going to have this same sequence 3 times in a row. And then the thumb will still be on the G for the next bit, but the second finger and the third finger shift down by 1 string. So we get this. Okay. And then in terms of the right hand, they're all next door. So we get, and then the same thing but shifted up. And then we shift down to have the B flat on the bottom. So I'll just show you the right hand again. Okay, and so I think it'd be quite good to actually practice it in chords. So do a left hand chord and then a right hand chord, because that's then practicing getting your fingers on really fast. So I'll just show you again. In terms of how you need to place, it's exactly the same and on the same notes for the first 4 lines. So that's practically the whole piece, because the second line is identical to the first line but a bit quieter. And then the third line, the notes are exactly the same, they just come in a slightly different order. But in terms of the placing, it's still going to be the same. So you could practice all 4 lines like we did just there, doing it as chords, and that would get you really good at getting your fingers on nice and quickly and ready to play.